Hi, I'm Julie Lynn Moray and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. We went from Mama Mai to Mini Mai. MaiLinh's joining me today and we are gonna make
pizza!
Yes, we're gonna make Keto's Fathead
pizza
crust. Pizza crust. Let's get started.
For this recipe, you will need 1 egg, cream cheese, almond flour, basil pesto, mozzarella cheese, feta cheese, and mushroom.
Okay, so we're gonna microwave 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese with 2 tablespoons of
stinky cheese.
No, this is cream cheese. The
Cream
next one, the next one is stinky. Okay, first can you pour this in here for me, please? Slowly. Okay, a little bit faster. Okay. Say, come on, cheese.
Monkey. Cheese, why won't you come out?
Okay, then, there we go. Ready? Let's take it to the microwave. And then we're gonna do this for 1.5 minutes.
So which one?
Can you hit this 3 times? One more time. Good. And say you want to stop it at 45 seconds to stir.
We want to stop it at 35 seconds to stir.
All right, now we gotta stir it because it's the 45 mark. Ready?
So let's stir it.
Okay. Oh, because you can't reach? Okay.
Very hot. So.
Can I help you?
No thanks.
No, thanks. Okay. Well, thank you for being polite.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get it.
I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna help you.
Because
Okay.
it's much more harder for me.
It's much more harder for you? Okay. So there. Now we're gonna do another 45 seconds. Ready? Bring it back.
Hot.
No, it's hot. Okay, ready?
Okay. And do it 30 seconds.
We'll just hit the start button. Okay, step one. Nope, that's all. Are you gonna dance while you wait?
Yeah.
You gotta dance that way. Okay, now you're gonna crack the egg in.
So here?
A little bit more, crack it a little bit more, one more time. Okay, that's good. Good job, you didn't even get any shells in there. Way to go, Mai.
So now I have to stir it very fast. Look at me. Stir.
Okay, so we are going to stir it so that we can mash all the ingredients, which is, this is almond flour.
Yep.
Keep going, gotta get it all out.
Come on, almond flour.
Okay, Mommy will do it. 1 second, ready? You're gonna do 1 pat. Oh,
Try done.
1 second. Right now we're going to put it on some parchment paper
And don't spread it.
and we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes just to let the dough cool down. It's so much easier to spread into like a flatbread pizza or a thin crust
wanna do
pizza.
it.
Okay, you wanna do it? Okay. All right.
This part big enough for 3 people.
All right, so we've put the dough in the refrigerator to cool for a little bit. And in the meantime, we are going to preheat the oven to 425. And we're going to slice some mushrooms because I'm gonna do a little gourmet pizza with some pesto, portobello mushroom, and feta cheese, your favorite, right? Okay.
Yeah. Ready?
Now, slowly put the fork in here, okay? And then, good job. Good job. Look at these knife skills, Mama. All right, we've now taken it out of the refrigerator and we're gonna try to spread it as thin as possible because this is made with almond flour, so it's a little bit dry.
So we're doing some, he's done eat some, and you are doing eat some, I don't eat some. But we're going to do some whipped cream on some.
Whipped cream on some?
Yeah.
On pizza? No way, girlfriend. Okay, I've actually gotten another piece of parchment paper and I'm going to smooth it out with my hands. Like I said, you could use a rolling pin if you want, but MaiLinh might go crazy with the rolling pin, so we're gonna do this with our hands. You wanna help me?
Yeah.
There you go. Say voila.
Voila! Now I have to do some stuff.
Okay.
Delicioso!
All right, now that we've rolled it out pretty thin, we're gonna transfer it to a pizza pan and stick it in the oven. We're gonna do it for 425 for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. 6 minutes later and it looks perfect. Be careful. I've let it cool for a couple minutes off camera so she doesn't burn herself. You're gonna spread yours with marinara sauce, slowly. Mommy's gonna spread mine with pesto. So watch Mommy. We're gonna put it down and then we're gonna spread it out with the back of the spoon. Yep, back of the spoon. I used about 3 to 4 tablespoons of this pesto, but feel free to use as little or as much as you like. I love pesto, so I tend to like a more saucy pizza. I know some people like it a little bit more dry, but to each their own. MaiLinh, how do you like your pizza?
A lot.
A lot what? A lot saucy?
Yeah.
A lot saucy? Thank
Now
you.
we can do some sausage.
Now we're gonna do the sausage, correct. Sure, you can use your hands because that's gonna be your pizza. Sprinkle that all over, there you go,
So
girlfriend.
what are you going to use?
I am gonna use a little bit of cheese first.
That's my cheese.
It's both of our cheeses.
You already got cheese.
Excuse me, girlfriend. Hey, you gotta spread it around, sweet pea.
I know.
So I'm using a little bit of mozzarella because feta is a very, very dry cheese. Well, the feta that I got, I know that it also comes very creamy, but the one that I got is very dry. So I wanna mix it with a little bit of mozzarella so it's not too dry. Not to mention, the almond flour crust is a little dry too. Perfect, MaiLinh, yours looks so pretty.
I know. I just burned that.
She's definitely not lacking any confidence over there. I'm gonna put some mushrooms on it.
I'm not like mushrooms.
You don't like mushrooms?
No.
What about the cheese?
Yeah.
What about me?
Ew.
Who's Mr. Patrick's gonna like better?
Mine, I think.
Yours, you think? Very good.
Oh.
Can you tell everybody 425
425
until the cheese melts?
to the cheese melts.
We had taken Italian sausage earlier and sauteed it in a skillet, and then we used it to crumble over the pizza, right?
Yeah.
And does it look good? Do you think yours is gonna be better or mine?
Mine.
Why?
Cause it's soft and Mr. Patrick likes more it.
And Mr. Patrick likes more it, right? Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't like green. He likes red.
He doesn't like green? Of course he likes green.
No, he don't.
All right, just watch over it until the cheese melts and then you're gonna take it out. All right, Mama, I think my pizza's ready.
Okay.
Look at that.
Mine is gooder.
Yours looks gooder or yours looks better?
Better.
I think mine looks the best. What do you think?
Mine looks so good and the best pizza.
It's the best pizza. Okay, the pizzas are done. Who's got a better looking pizza, MaiLinh?
I think mine.
You think yours? I think mine. All right, let's try. Ready? Mom's gonna cut it for you. What'd you think? How's your pizza? Do you want to try mine?
No, thank you.
Why?
I don't like those.
What's those? Mushrooms? It's so good.
No,
One bite.
thank you.
Bon appetit. Thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mama, can you say please subscribe to my channel?
Please subscribe to my channel, Mara and MaiLinh.
Bon appetit. All right, Mama, how was your first day of filming?
Good.
Mr. Patrick.
My mom made the best pizza out of all the pizza makers.
Wait, you didn't even try mine yet. I think he's gonna like my pizza better.
Wait. We gotta try this one. This one.
My win!